its amazing plants and animals, tropical rainforests are home to more species than any other ecosystem. Rainforests symbolize global weather patterns and are a vast source of discovered and yet to be discovered medicinal plants. Some of the world's most fascinating creatures are here for you. Birds of prey, including hawks, eagles, vultures, falcons, and kites. Hawks are eagles with their fierce eyes, hooked beaks, and powerful talons like no other bird. Bird of prey kill swiftly or feed off dead carcasses throughout history have been worshipped sometimes and at other times slaughtered. We recognize these fascinating creatures to see and